W with MRMIKE.
Happy New Year, everybody! It's Mr. Mike. What better way to celebrate the New Year than to make our own 2022 glasses? To make these glasses, all we need are three basic lines and shapes: an oval, an arc, and a line. Now let's see how all this fits together. Okay, so we're going to start with an arc right up here. Have it come around. And then we'll have a line come down here. What we're doing is we're drawing the two. Have another arc come in here. And stop. And we'll have a line come down right to here to a point. And we'll have another line come here. And a line come up. We'll go over with a line. And we'll take another line up like this. Just have to come to a point there. So here we're going to join the zero. So up here we'll add an arc like this. And then we'll add another arc down here. It's a big arc. Okay. Next, we're going to take that oval shape that will be in here. So we'll start here, come all the way around, and make an oval. Now this is where your eye will be once we have this all cut out. Okay, next, let's actually continue this arc down a little further. Let's have this come down to here. Okay. And then we're going to have a line come up, and then an arc come over like this. I'm a little close to this top part of the paper, but I think we can make it work. We'll have a line come up, and then we'll have another arc come around like this, and then we'll have a line come down, and we'll have this line down here. It's going to be the bottom of this too. So we'll have this come over, and then another line here come over and down. Over here, we're going to connect the other two right here. You have this two, an arc here, all the way around like this. And we'll have another line come down here, and then an arc right in here. You can have a line come down and connect to this part of the two. And then we'll have another line come down this way. Then we'll have the line come up, the line come over, and then we're going to have this line come up and connect. We'll have it curve around a little bit of an arc right there to connect to the rest of the two. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a thick black outline around this, and then we're going to add in the tabs. Just follow it all the way around. If you have a little bit of a mistake, you can just go over it again. Turn my paper. Make it easier for me to draw my lines. Go all the way down here. Go up, over. All I'm doing is tracing the outline of my numbers here. I'm using the side of my marker to make a thick black outline all the way around. Turn my paper again, just to make it easier for me to draw the outline. Sometimes it's easier to make a certain curve or a certain line when you turn your paper. It's very easy to do. Okay, almost done. And now we just have to do that oval. Now we're going to create tabs right here. So one on this side, it's just a line that comes out, a line that comes down, and a line that comes over. Then on this side, it'll be a line that comes out, a line that comes down, and a line that comes over. Okay, and this is where we're going to attach the part of the glasses that goes over your ear. So now we're going to draw that part. So down here, we're going to take a straight line, we're going to go down, and then do an arc. We'll do another arc, and we'll go straight up with a line, and then a line across to close it off. Then we can draw another line here, and this is the tab area that we'll tape to here. Now we're going to do the same shape, just make it opposite on this side. So now we'll do a line down, an arc here, an arc up here, and then a line up, and then close it off with a line. And then we'll do one more line across here. So you can make a thick black outline around that as well, so it looks the same as our glasses, the rest of our glasses. And we are almost done. Now the next step is very important. The next step, we're going to have a parent or guardian help us cut out this shape, okay? So you want to be sure, I'll get my other glasses here to show you. We want to be sure to cut out around our shape, just like this, and then make sure to cut out in here. But you need to get a parent or guardian to help you with scissors, okay? We don't want anybody to get cut, okay? So cut out your shapes, and then once you have everything cut out with your parent or guardian, you come back, and then we're going to tape everything together, okay? So now that everything is cut out, it should look something like this, where we have the zero, the center of the zero is cut out, and this shape here is cut out, and then it's just around the shape of the two, and we leave the tab. Okay, you can cut this area out too if you want. I just left it there. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to tape the tabs together so it's going to look like this. So I'm just going to get some clear tape. We're just going to tape these pieces together, just like this, and like this. Then you can flip it over and do two more pieces on the other side. Now I want all of my artist friends to use their imagination and design their own glasses by coloring in and making designs of all of this white space in here. Use any colors you want, make any patterns, do something really creative, and use your wonderful imagination to make these glasses so special. Maybe it's something special about the new year that you want to celebrate, or something special about you that you want to celebrate. So then once you have it colored and taped, you can just bend these just like this, and then it'll go just on like glasses, just like that. Happy New Year, everybody! Thanks so much for drawing with me today. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. W with M-R-M-I-K-E.